Did you know that AI learns just like humans?
It's fascinating.
In this video, we'll uncover how artificial intelligence processes information and improves its skills. First, let's define AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, mimics human learning. It analyzes data to make decisions.
Next, we explore the learning process.
AI mainly learns in three ways: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, AI uses labeled data.
It learns patterns from examples.
For instance, identifying cats in photos based on labeled images. Unsupervised learning involves unlabeled data. AI finds hidden patterns without guidance.
Think of it like clustering similar items. Reinforcement learning is different.
Here, AI learns through trial and error.
It receives rewards for correct actions, similar to how pets learn tricks. Now, let's visualize. Imagine teaching a child. You show them a picture of a dog.
They learn to recognize dogs based on your feedback. AI does something similar with vast amounts of data. In summary, AI learns through supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement methods.
It uses data to improve over time, much like human learning.
Curious to delve deeper into AI?
Subscribe now for more insights and tips.